Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how you can add stop loss in Robinhood. Now first open up your Robinhood app and then you need to go to the stock page that you want to purchase or add stop loss. So I will just click on the search icon and in the search bar I will just search for Microsoft stock and select the Microsoft stock from search results. After that you have to click on this trade button and from this window you have to click on this sell or buy what you want to do, and from here you have to click on this shares or this drop down arrow at the top right corner, and from these options you have to select the stop order or stop limit order that you want to use. So you have to select the order type according to your needs. So first I'm going to explain what is the stop order. So I will just click on spot order. So what will this do is when you set a fixed stop price below the current price of CCIV, a market sell is triggered when CCIV fell to the stop price or lower. So what will this basically do? If you set any price, stop price, if this market order price fall below this price, then it will automatically sell. So if you want to do that, click on continue and then enter your stop price and click on continue. You have to select the time in force. So select it from here and your stop loss order will be placed. Now if you want to place the stop limit order, you can simply select it from here. Then you can click on continue, enter stop price and then enter the numbers of share you want to sell when this happen and click on review. So that is how you can add stop loss in Robinhood. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.